Hey gorgeous! Have you heard of GlassSkin? It's all about getting that dewy, luminous complexion that looks as smooth as glass. Imagine your skin reflecting light like a crystal. It's a look that's been trending big time, and for good reason. Who wouldn't want that healthy, youthful glow? Achieving GlassSkin is all about hydration. It's about plumping up your skin from within. And you know what? You don't need a million products to get there. Sometimes all it takes is one hero product. And today I'm going to share with you my secret weapon for GlassSkin. This hydrating toner is a whole different ballgame. It's all about adding moisture, not stripping it away. Here's where the magic really happens. We're going to take hydration to a whole new level with the 7 skin method. Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds. Step 1. After cleansing, pour a small amount of hydrating toner onto your palms. Step 2. Gently pat the toner onto your face and neck, starting from the center and working outwards. Step 3. Wait a minute or two for the toner to absorb. Step 4. Repeat steps 1 to 3 6 more times. Yes, you read that right. 7 layers in total. This method allows the hydrating goodness to penetrate deeply into your skin, giving you that ultimate plump and dewy finish. You'll be amazed at how much your skin drinks up. I used to struggle with dry patches and dullness, but ever since I incorporated this toner and the 7 skin method into my routine, my skin has been transformed. It's softer, smoother, and way more radiant. Now, a little word of caution. This toner does contain fragrance, so if you have sensitive skin, it's always a good idea to do a patch test first. My final tip? Don't be afraid to experiment. You can try this method with other hydrating toners as well. Just remember to listen to your skin and adjust the number of layers as needed. So, are you ready to unlock the secret to GlassSkin? Give this hydrating toner and the 7 skin method a try and get ready to glow, girl!